Hi folks, here's Tino from All for Shooters, and here I introduce you Franco from Italian, and I like to show him the new UPG-1. Franco, what do you think about this rifle?
Well, it's a very interesting rifle. It's a chassis rifle, of course. Can you tell me more about it?
It's a light metal alloy frame. You have 4 different calibers. This one is the same rifles, but this one has a foldable stock. The stock is adjustable in length, and the cheek peak is adjustable in the height.
What about the calibers?
Yeah, you have 4 different calibers. One is 243 Winchester. The other ones are 6.5 Creedmoor and 6.5 by 47 Lapua. And the fourth is 308 Winchester, the most versatile.
Both models are available with all the calibers?
All the calibers, yes, and some different barrel lengths. Started at 420 millimeters and goes out to 660 millimeters.
What's the actual use for these guns? They seem to be pretty professional.
Yes, that's for sports shooting, but you can also use it for hunting.
This looks to be an M-lock system,
Yes.
isn't it?
That's true, that's M-lock. You find it on 3 sides, so you can adjustable bipod on it.
And the magazine, I suppose this is a international standard, right?
Yeah, that's an international standard.
Did you shoot with these guns?
Yes, it's interesting to shoot. Also, it's very nice. So accurate, soft to shoot.
Did you see differences between the one that has a longer barrel than the one that is shorter?
Yeah, you feel a little bit more recoil with the shorter barrels. But it's an interesting rifle for this price. Very good.
So it's pretty affordable as
Yes.
the price for what it gives.
It's almost 2,000 euros.
You can also put a suppressor on these because I see.
You have the treat on the front.
Well, it's a really nice gun. But what do you think about these guns? Why don't you post your opinions below? And please stay with us with All for Shooters.